like, wow, I really like her so much. And I want to see her like all the time. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, it is day 5 of October 2019 Box Week. I don't know why I was like 5, but it's day 5 of October 2019 Box Week. I feel like the lighting in this video is kind of weird because like a lot of times I film at nighttime and then there's like now daylight and then I have my ring light, so it's just like awkward light. So that's cool. And every video I like, you notice me, I always like look back like that. It's not because I'm like getting prepared, it's because there's like a shadow in the background of the room and then stuff's falling on the floor. So that's creepy. Anyways, tonight we're going to be opening up, well, technically it's daytime, but I'll probably be posting this at night. I don't really know. But either way, we're opening Allure Beauty. Look at how the light reflects against that. So Allure Beauty is a $15 monthly subscription box. Also, I should have mentioned if you're brand new to my channel and you're like, wow, I really like her so much and I want to see her like all the time, you should click the red subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be really irritated when once a month there is a notification every single day for a week that there's a new video. Also, we are going to be putting more items probably in this box is nuts into the stockpile giveaway, which is completely overflowing with goodies. This is the, I know I say this every time, but this is actually legitimately for real the very best stockpile giveaway I think we've ever done. It is so full because we waited a couple months and I feel like I've been getting higher quality boxes that it's like, it's insane. So at the end of this week I'll be posting a video telling you how you can win this box of goodness. So we're opening Allure. Allure's $15 per month. So I wanted, before I even open this, I don't know what's going on, but Allure Beauty, like this year they had this whole like, we're gonna rebrand ourselves, we're gonna have like a new style of box and like new stuff, and like the box has been like absolutely amazing. And then like last month they came back with like, so the box is white, but it used to be red and it looked just like this like last year, and now it's coming back like this again. And last month's box was like not great. It just wasn't. It was not great. So I'm really nervous that like they're starting to go backwards to where they were like when we were all considering canceling them, and then not going to keep on doing the really, really awesome boxes they were doing all year. So Allure, if you ever walk across this video, please don't do that. Please keep up the quality before. Like, I don't know why they changed it, but I was really loving Allure this year. Like, I was like, this is becoming one of the best boxes I ever get. And then last month they were like, we don't care. So on the top they have the little magazine they give you every time that tells you all about the stuff that's going to be inside of this box. They have a little red tissue paper up there. So first thing we have is Sol de Janeiro, love it, flaunt it, you've got it, fast absorbing body cream. I do actually love this cream. Sol de Janeiro, so this cream is really awesome. It like super absorbs into your skin and it gives your skin like a bouncy texture. I will say I'm never like a huge fan of the smell of it. Can't get it open though. I can't tell you. Like it, but it, jeez. It fast absorbs though. I can't open it though. Dang it. Oh man. I haven't been challenged this week. There we go. With having to open a lot of stuff. There we go. I got it cracked open. So the texture of it, like it's like a body cream. It's weird because it's not like thick, but it absorbs like a thick absorbent body cream. Does that make sense? I don't know. I put this down open. Ooh, this one smells different though. Whoa, I actually like this smell. Like it's like a new smell. I was just talking about, I was like, I don't like the way it smells. And now I'm like, I'm actually really enjoying it this time. All right, next we have Power Glow Peel. 1 minute, 1-step exfoliating facial peel. M61 powerful skincare. Quick glycolic, I can't talk. And acid exfoliant, skip that word, peel with vitamin K, bilberry, and chamomile. Ooh, that looks awesome. Okay, how many are in here though? I'm like, I want to try this. I feel like this is gonna be awesome. Oh, there's 3 in here. Okay, Allure, they're like, our box may be smaller, but it's still got good stuff in it. So, all right, so far I'm kind of feeling it. Again, like I don't know if it's gonna be like the par it was in the year, but we will just wait and see what happens. Next we have Moda Bella Metallic Eyeshadow Trio, Model Co, sorry, from St. Tropez. All right, let's see what these look like. It is a eyeshadow trio. I ripped the box a little bit. Dang it. I didn't want to do that because I never know like if it's something that I'll actually be able to use or not. Okay, so these are like more like bronzy, shimmery eyeshadow tones, which I actually don't really need anything like this right now. I have like a lot of makeup like this. I also just bought like some new makeup and we got makeup in other boxes, but look at that. This is what they look like. I'm not going to swatch them because I'm actually going to put this right into the stockpile giveaway. But those look nice. They look like really nice fall colors. So I'm excited for somebody to get those in the box. Next we have Ice Ceramide Moisturizing from Sunday Riley. I don't know. I'm guessing this is like a moisturizer, obviously. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh. I kind of want to know what this feels like because I've only ever tried the like main Sunday Riley like CEO Glow. I shouldn't have put it on the same hand that I did the other one. Kind of a weird smell, and also it has a really thick texture, but it also is cooling, obviously probably why it's called ice. So I'm wondering if this is better for like a night cream type thing, but that is Sunday Riley. Next up we have Lumify from Bausch & Lomb. Works in 1 minute, lasts up to 8 hours. I'm guessing this is like a red eye, a dry eye, eyedroppers. I always feel like that's weird. I don't know why. I don't like when people give this kind of stuff out in boxes. I feel like it's really weird. I'm gonna see if Joshy wants it. It's supposed to be for relieves redness of eyes due to minor irritations. I mean, that's cool, but that's so, I don't know. That's weird. Does anyone else feel like that's weird? Like that's a weird thing to put in a stock, in a subscription box, like eye drops? I don't know. I guess maybe the Target box I could see it, but this one, that's kind of weird. Next we have Eyelights Metallic Eyeshadow from Model Co. So they have like a metallic eyeshadow. So obviously like they have like granite. This is like a planned little grouping of stuff. I'm guessing this is probably like a black, intense, like glittery. Oh, yes it is. I'm actually going to keep this and challenge myself. So I don't wear, I used to like wear a lot more adventurous eyeshadows and now I'm just like, a bronzed gold, pinky glow, whatever. Rose gold is my life. I'm going to try this. This is supposed to be a metallic eyeshadow. I'm guessing it's probably supposed to be like for Halloween. Okay, that's intense. I don't know what I'm going to do with that, but I'm going to challenge myself and do something with this. Has a little bit of a weird smell, just gonna say it. Not like bad, just a little weird smell. And then finally we have Mineral Bath Dream Away Valerian and Hops Essential Oils. Ooh, so this is a like bath salt thing. So that's everything in the box. Overall, I mean, okay. I think this box is good. I feel like if this was Allure a year ago, I would have been like, wow, this is really amazing. But I feel like after we've had the first like 8 months of this year, we're like, jaw-dropping boxes, I'm a little bit bummed. Does that make sense? So like I feel like this is a good box, but comparatively to where we were at, like we started from here and now we're here, I kind of don't know how to feel about it. So I don't know. That's all I have for you guys today, but if you want to see, oh wait, oh shoot, sorry, I was about to end the video. Oh my goodness, I forgot to recap. Let's recap. Let's just pretend that didn't happen and recap. I'm not gonna edit it out. I feel like you guys will appreciate my imperfections more than a well-edited video. Also, that's a lot more work, if I'm being honest. So we had the eye drops, the Lumify eye drops from Bausch & Lomb for like redness. We got the bath salts from Neep. Mineral Bath Salt Dream Away Valerian and Hops. We got this like Eyelids Metallic Eyeshadow, which is like black metallic. I'm gonna try it. I don't know. We'll see what happens. We'll see if I can find anything that I feel like just works with that and don't completely like hate what I did. We also got the Model Co Metallic Eyeshadow Trio, which is inside the box. I did show it earlier in the video. That's going into the stockpile giveaway. We got the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, which actually, Soldier Now, has a really good smell to it. We got the Sunday Riley Ice Cream, which I did try in my hand. I also like the way that feels. It has a cooling effect, but it's also really thick and deep moisturizing, as well as the Power Glow Peel, the 3 like exfoliating pads. So I will say that I feel like I got stuff that I haven't really tried in other boxes. I think they gave me variety stuff that I'm actually going to keep and try, so I will give them that. I think for me, I'm having an issue with like the size of things because they were giving such generous like samples. Like we were getting like 7 like good size items every single box, and I feel like now they kind of are downgrading a little bit. So I still like Allure. I'm going to keep it. It's not like on the like cancel list right now. It's just kind of like a a little bit of a bummer that they were like doing such big things and now they've kind of had to shrink it a little bit. So, I don't know. That's all I have for you guys today, but if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because here, literally, the best crew because anybody and everybody can be our crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 6 of Box Week. Alright, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. The Art of Shaving? Are they gonna start carrying the Art of Shaving at Target? That's a huge deal! Oh my gosh! I'm excited.
Anyway, so yeah, what she just said.